Hey there, I'm recording now.
Good morning, guys. It is what are you doing? Put it down. Wow, so pretty. Show her. Beautiful. It is day 12 of Vlogmas today. And I'm almost done with the... Dude, you're not even showing me.
You're in the middle.
No,
I'm telling you.
The camera
No, it's right on your face.
Whatever. Are you recording?
Yes. It's recording. Look.
Okay. So, I haven't read the comments yet. I just uploaded the video like a couple, maybe like 30 minutes ago. And I'm already like getting a whole bunch of comments and stuff. I haven't read them. It's just like what's popping up on my screen because I'm finishing the street signs. But by what I've read, you guys seem to have really liked the cookies that I did yesterday. Why are you laughing?
Because I'm thinking of a plot.
So I'm almost done with these, and then we have to go to his friend's house, to Ralph's house, to
These are the cookies.
yeah, those are the... Hey! I didn't make a lot, you asshole! Why would you do that?
You knew it was coming too because you backed up real quick.
But you know, babe, you know that I only made 2 dozen.
That's fine. One's gonna have one less.
All my hard work.
Too quick for you. Too quick.
Get away!
You find out what you really is.
Even she laughs at me.
Yeah.
There.
Yeah.
I want to thank you guys for, I don't know, I guess for just saying that you guys really like the cookies. And I'm awesome. Cookies take forever to dry. I left the ones that I did yesterday overnight to dry. And those are already in the can. And then Bert did the number 2s right now while I was finishing these up. Because we have to go meet them at 1 and it's already 12:50. So I'm going to finish these up real quick so that we can go do that. I will probably tell him to take me somewhere. Not to take me, but so that I can go buy something to eat because I haven't even had breakfast. And I'm starving, Marvin.
Maybe I'll put some sticky stuff on the drone and go sit on it.
Nope. We're trying to get Grecia's balloon. It's a pink little speck way over there. Because we went to the other side. We're picking up some food to take home. And we came over here to see the water under the bridge. And as soon as he opened the window, the balloon flew out. And this guy almost hit us. But it's a super duper windy day.
Yeah.
You see the water? Your balloon is floating away. Way over there. We'll give you another one at home, okay? I don't know if y'all will be able to see her balloon. Yeah. You see that pink little thing? Over there? That's her balloon. Ba? Yeah, se fue.
Wait, don't try to cover it up for her.
200,000 reasons to take the city.
Yummy, papita. it good? Huh? Is it good? Uh-oh, we have to put a chongo on you.
Oh no.
Hmm?
Santa Claus and coming.
Santa Claus brought you a candy apple.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Santa Claus knows what's up.
Apple.
We bought some apples from the lady who parks on the side of the highway. If you guys remember, y'all know when I was pregnant, I was always buying apples from her because they were super duper duper good. And I also went to get my nails done. I got them red for Grecia's party. I was gonna wear a red shirt, but I switched Bert, so I'm gonna wear the blue one now. So I had to get red somewhere in there. And I just had a good time at the nail salon, but I'm finishing up her cookies right now. And she was asking me for a banana, but I don't have any. But this is what they look like so far. I just gotta finish these over here, just writing her name on them. And then the number 2s are over here. These are already done also. This is what the number 2s look like. I just put polka dots on them. Well, actually, Bert and my sister decorated these. I just filled them last night before I went to bed. So I'm almost done. The house is a mess. We have to fill up Cookie Monster right now, and then I'm gonna bring out her candy bags to fill those up too with the candy that's in there. Let me go get a chongo so I can put this girl's hair back. So it's 8:22 right now. We're going on a snack break. I just finished the cookies and Bert's almost done editing a video that he needed to do. We're gonna see if the snack shop is open, the place where we get the corn from. We're gonna come back and fill up her piñata and the candy bags. I'm so excited. So excited. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Christmas tree.
Christmas tree. You see them? We're not there yet.
Cold.
It's cold outside, right?
Cold.
Where's your gorrita? Oh, there it is. I had to put a beanie on her and stuff because it's really, well, it's not really cold, but this morning it was like 80 and right now it's 57. That's why people get sick. So we're all bundled up and stuff.
I got sick here and it's colder over there.
I know. Sucks for you. But he's already taking medicine that his mom gave him, so hopefully he gets better.
It's not, I'm not even like sick, it's just like
Boogers and sneezing.
It feels like allergies kind of. Tiny's wearing a sweater.
Yeah, even Tiny's wearing her sweater. I never show her anymore, but she's always with us. Right, Tiny? Tiny's. Her little sweater has a bow on it.
If I drop one, it's yours.
Thanks. Did you pay for it?
Huh?
Did you pay for it?
Yeah, I'm
You can't really see it, but
gonna give me this shit for free. That's 13 bucks.
here it is. Yummy. And mommy fell asleep back there. Good morning, sunshine. We're gonna put your candies in there, okay? And inside this monster. Literally.
Like a house.
Peekaboo! I've got all of her candy bags right here. So I'm going to, I forgot to show y'all that I added these to every candy bag.
Yeah,
It's a thank you card. I love the cake and presents too, but the very best part was seeing you. Thank you for making my birthday so special. Love, Grecia Giselle. And each candy bag has this. Forgot I had told, I didn't show you guys this, but each one has them. Candy! Good job.
It's snowing in the tent.
Beautiful, isn't
So
it?
here's all the bags. They're about halfway full, each baggie.
Now everybody's gonna get them as a parent, so.
Spoiling it by speaking. The festive season
What is that?
all about spending time with loved ones.
Those are
Those are not gummies.
Fantastic! A winter.
These guys have been in the tent before. They know.
I'm also going to buy some peanuts tomorrow, and I'm thinking of putting like a cutie or like a small baby apple in the candy bags, just so that they'll have something kind of healthy-ish in there. But we did all 50 candy bags, and we still have about half of the bin left. And Bert's trying to see how far deep down does it go. So it's like a little pouch or what?
Yeah, and then there's a hole that goes to the belly.
Oh.
Like a throat.
Let me see. Can I stick my hand?
No.
Oh, I see.
Daddy,
Yes.
come back.
Put it in the inside.
More.
Yeah, put it in there. Just put it in there and put them in there.
Can you guys tell how tired I am? I could just fall asleep right here. But it's 11:18 at night right now, and we just finished putting all the candy away in the candy bags and inside the piñata. I picked up the living room a little bit. I picked up all of her toys. The kitchen is somewhat put away. I didn't put everything away because tomorrow's another day, but the last day of baking. I'm gonna bake her cake tomorrow and all the 50 cupcakes that I'm gonna make. So I'm gonna do that. I'm just so tired, and tomorrow we also have to go out of town, so I don't know how I'm gonna find time to do everything, but I know I'm gonna have to do it. And I also have to wash clothes tomorrow. It's gonna be hard, but the party is like so close that I know it's all gonna be over, and like it's so worth it though. But we're like getting there. We're getting there. As we get closer, it's just getting a little bit more and more tiring. It's 11:20 now. I'm gonna get started on editing this video, and then I'm going to take a shower and go to bed, because tomorrow I want to try to do something different with my hair. You guys will see it, I think. I want to try to do something different with it so that I can wear my hair that way for her party. I've never done it like that, so you guys will just have to see in tomorrow's video. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and the cookies are all done. I think I showed you guys all of them. Bert is still editing all those videos, and I'm gonna get started on doing the same thing. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and we will see you guys tomorrow.
Bye.
She's over there with her dad. Bye guys.